Hello, YouTube creators and enthusiasts. Welcome to today's session where we'll be diving into the art of mastering SEO for YouTube videos. Now, you may be wondering, why is SEO so crucial on this platform? Well, imagine the millions of videos uploaded every day. Among this ocean of content, how can your video be the one that stands out? That's where SEO comes in. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the magic wand that can make your content more visible and more likely to be discovered by viewers. It's all about understanding what your audience is searching for and then tailoring your content to meet those search needs. This means using the right keywords, creating engaging titles and descriptions, optimizing your video length, and much more. Remember, implementing solid SEO practices can significantly increase the chances of your content being discovered. So let's dive in and learn how to harness the power of SEO for your YouTube success. Let's start with the foundation of YouTube SEO, keyword research. This is more than just a buzzword. It's the bedrock of your SEO strategy, the compass that guides your content creation. It's about understanding what your audience is searching for and tailoring your content to meet those needs. So, what exactly is keyword research? Simply put, it's the process of finding and analyzing the terms that people enter into search engines. It's how you discover the language your potential audience uses when they're on the hunt for the content you provide. Now, why does keyword research matter for YouTube? Well, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, right after Google. People type in keywords to find videos on topics they're interested in. If your content matches those keywords, there's a higher chance your video will appear in their search results. It's a direct line to visibility. But how do you conduct keyword research? Well, there are several tools at your disposal. One of the most popular is Google Keyword Planner. It's a free tool that provides keyword ideas and traffic estimates to help you build a search network campaign. Another excellent tool is YouTube's Search Suggest feature. Simply type in a term related to your content and see what other keywords pop up. These are the terms people are actively searching for on YouTube. But remember, it's not just about finding popular keywords. It's also about understanding your competition. You want to find keywords that are not only searched often, but also have low competition. This way, you're not just shouting into the wind, but rather, you're filling a gap that exists in the content landscape. Once you've identified your keywords, what's next? Here's where the real work begins. Now you need to tailor your video content around these keywords. This means incorporating them into your title, description, and even your script. But remember, it's not just about stuffing your content with keywords. They need to be integrated naturally and contextually. After all, you're creating content for humans, not algorithms. And there you have it. That's the essence of keyword research. It's a powerful tool in your SEO toolkit, and it's the first step towards crafting content that resonates with your audience. Tailor your video content around these keywords to ensure it aligns with what users are searching for. Now that you have your keywords, let's put them to use. The title of your video is arguably one of the most important factors for YouTube SEO. This is where your primary keyword should reside. However, don't just stuff your title with keywords. It needs to be compelling, engaging, and give a clear idea of what your video is about. A great title draws in viewers and piques their curiosity. Think of it as the headline of a newspaper article. It needs to stand out in a sea of other titles. Now let's talk about the description. This is where you can provide additional context to your video. It's also another opportunity to incorporate your keywords. But remember, it's not just about keyword stuffing. Your description should be coherent and provide valuable information about your video. It's also a good idea to include a call to action, like asking viewers to subscribe, like, or share your video. Here's a pro tip for you. YouTube only shows the first 2 to 3 lines of your description. So ensure your most important information, including your primary keyword and call to action, are placed right at the beginning. Now you might be wondering, why all this fuss about titles and descriptions? Well, here's the answer. YouTube's algorithm uses these to understand the context of your video. A well-optimized title and description can help your video appear in relevant searches, suggested video lists, and even Google's search results. But remember, while SEO is important, your primary focus should always be to create high-quality, valuable content for your viewers. The perfect blend of SEO and valuable content can significantly increase your video's visibility, reach, and viewer engagement. So take the time to craft compelling titles and detailed descriptions. Use your keywords wisely and naturally. And always, always keep your viewer in mind. Because at the end of the day, your content is for them. Remember, YouTube's algorithm considers both when ranking videos. So make your titles and descriptions count. Happy creating. Next up, the power of a captivating thumbnail. This might seem like a small detail, but it's your first handshake with potential viewers. A thumbnail is the face of your video, the initial visual that sparks interest and draws viewers in. It's kind of like a book cover, if you will. It's the first thing that people see, and it can make or break whether someone decides to click on your video or not. Now let's talk about the relationship between thumbnails and SEO. You see, a compelling thumbnail can dramatically increase your video's click-through rate. The more clicks you get, the more YouTube recognizes your video as valuable content, which ultimately improves its ranking in search results. Try to make your thumbnail visually appealing and relevant to your video content. Use contrasting colors, bold fonts, and intriguing images. Remember, your thumbnail should tell a story, but more importantly, it should make viewers want to hear that story. A well-designed thumbnail can significantly improve your click-through rate, contributing to better SEO. Don't overlook the importance of transcripts and closed captions. These elements may seem auxiliary, but they carry weight in the realm of YouTube SEO. Let's break this down. Transcripts and closed captions serve dual purposes. Firstly, they make your content more accessible. They act as a bridge for viewers who are deaf or hard of hearing, or for individuals who prefer watching videos without sound. This inclusivity can expand your viewer base, hence indirectly boosting your SEO. Secondly, and perhaps more directly related to SEO, is the fact that these texts provide a playground for YouTube's algorithm. You see, the algorithm doesn't just consider your title, description, and tags. It also scans your transcripts and closed captions to understand the context and content of your video. This helps to rank your video accurately in search results, potentially pushing it to a wider audience. YouTube's algorithm scans through these texts to understand the context of your video, helping it rank higher in relevant searches. Let's talk about video length. In the world of YouTube, the length of your content is just as pivotal as the content itself. You see, the perfect video length is a careful balance, a dance even. On one hand, your video needs to be long enough to delve into the topic at hand, providing real, tangible value to your viewers. On the other hand, it should be short enough to keep viewer engagement from dipping. Think about it like a captivating novel. If it's too short, it leaves you wanting more, unsatisfied. But if it's too long, it can become tedious, causing you to lose interest. The same principle applies to your YouTube videos. So how do you find this balance? The answer lies in your audience retention metrics, a handy tool that shows you when viewers typically decide to move on. By studying these metrics, you can identify the sweet spot for your video length. For instance, if viewers are dropping off halfway through your 10-minute video, consider shortening it to 5 minutes. If they're sticking around till the end of your 5-minute video, perhaps it's time to experiment with a longer format. Remember, these metrics are not static. They evolve with your content and audience. Consistently monitor and adjust them as needed. Monitor your audience retention metrics to understand when viewers typically drop off, helping you refine your content strategy. Consistency is crucial for building a loyal audience and improving SEO. But what does consistency really mean in the world of YouTube? Let's break it down. Imagine you're a fan of a particular TV series. Every week, you look forward to a new episode. Now, what if the series started airing episodes sporadically, with no set schedule? You'd probably lose interest, right? The same principle applies to YouTube. Your viewers are looking for that same reliability and predictability in your content posting. Regular uploads are the lifeblood of a successful YouTube channel. They keep your channel fresh and relevant, and give viewers a reason to return. But it's not just about your audience. Regular uploads also play a significant role in how YouTube's algorithm views your channel. YouTube wants to promote channels that are active and reliable. The more frequently and consistently you post, the more likely the algorithm is to favor your channel in search and recommendation results. So establish a posting schedule that works for you and stick to it. Whether it's once a week, twice a month, or daily, consistency is key. But remember, consistency isn't just about quantity. It's also about quality. Ensure every video you upload meets your standards and provides value to your viewers. This not only keeps your audience engaged, but also signals to YouTube's algorithm that you're an active and reliable content creator.